Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. This is the Luxe luxury toy hauler with the 16-foot garage and the side patio. As you can see, looking at that side patio, it is a huge side patio door, and it also has an entertainment area inside that. The flush mount windows. We've got an electric rear door ramp. So you can have an electric keypad. I'll show you that keypad. It's on the outside of the door here, and it's just a matter of pressing buttons to let that ramp down. Very nice and easy, saves the back. We got some huge opposing slides. It's in the slide area, so they're going to be putting the slides in very soon. You look around here, giant opposing slides to make a huge living area. You got the solid surface countertops, maple hardwood cabinetry throughout. There's the entertainment area. As we go up here, we can take a look in the bedroom area. A lot of things are getting finished in there. The washer and dryer will go into that cavity back there, as you can see. The bathroom has a solid surface, same maple hardwood cabinetry. It actually has a one-piece shower tub. This is actually a tub that you can sit in. So hey, give us a call, 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.